Healthcare jobs vocabulary. Occupation, job, description, doctor, diagnoses and treats illnesses and medical conditions. Nurse, provides patient care and supports doctors during treatments. Surgeon, performs operations to treat injuries, diseases, or deformities. Pharmacist, prepares and dispenses medications, advises on drug usage. Dentist, treats teeth and gum problems and performs oral surgeries. Veterinarian, diagnoses and treats illnesses in animals. Paramedic, provides emergency medical care at the scene of an accident or crisis. Radiologist, uses imaging techniques like X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRIs to diagnose diseases. Pediatrician, specializes in the medical care of children and infants. Cardiologist, treats diseases and conditions related to the heart and blood vessels. Oncologist, diagnoses and treats cancer in patients. Psychologist, provides therapy and counseling for mental health and behavioral issues. Physiotherapist, helps patients recover physical mobility and function after injuries. Occupational therapist, assists patients in regaining skills for daily living and work. Speech therapist, helps patients with speech, language, and swallowing disorders. Anesthesiologist, administers anesthesia and monitors patients during surgery. Dermatologist, treats skin conditions, diseases, and cosmetic issues. Gynecologist, specializes in women's reproductive health and childbirth. Nutritionist dietitian, advises patients on proper nutrition and healthy eating habits. Medical laboratory technician, conducts lab tests to assist in diagnosing diseases. Optometrist, examines eyes, diagnoses vision problems, and prescribes corrective lenses. Chiropractor, treats musculoskeletal problems, especially back and neck pain. Orthopedic surgeon, specializes in surgeries involving bones, joints, and muscles. Neurosurgeon, performs surgeries on the brain, spine, and nervous system. Endocrinologist, treats disorders related to hormones such as diabetes and thyroid issues. Urologist, specializes in urinary tract and male reproductive health. Geriatrician, focuses on health care for older adults. Emergency room, ER, doctor, provides urgent medical care in hospital emergency rooms. Pathologist, analyzes lab samples to diagnose diseases and determine causes of illness. General practitioner, GP, provides comprehensive medical care for all age groups. Clinical psychologist, offers therapy and mental health assessments for individuals and families. Respiratory therapist, treats patients with breathing or respiratory disorders. Hematologist, specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of blood disorders. Medical coder, translates medical diagnoses and treatments into standardized billing codes. Audiologist, diagnoses and treats hearing and balance problems. Phlebotomist, draws blood samples for medical testing and transfusions. Health information technician, organizes and manages patient records and healthcare data. Home health aide provides personal care for patients in their homes. Midwife supports women during pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum care. Neonatologist cares for premature or critically ill newborns. Radiation therapist administers radiation treatments for cancer patients. Palliative care specialist provides care to improve the quality of life for patients with serious illnesses. Healthcare administrator manages the operations of healthcare facilities like hospitals and clinics. Forensic pathologist determines causes of death by performing autopsies. Orthodontist corrects irregularities in teeth alignment using braces or other devices. Medical transcriptionist converts recorded medical notes into written reports. Genetic counselor advises patients on genetic testing and hereditary conditions. Plastic surgeon specializes in cosmetic or reconstructive surgeries. Ophthalmologist treats eye conditions and performs eye surgeries. Pediatric nurse provides specialized care for children and infants. Clinical researcher conducts studies to test new treatments and medical advancements. Sports medicine physician treats injuries and conditions related to sports and physical activity. Rehabilitation counselor helps patients with physical or mental disabilities achieve independence. Infectious disease specialist diagnoses and treats infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Nephrologist focuses on kidney health and diseases like chronic kidney failure. Critical care nurse provides intensive care for critically ill patients in the ICU. Hospice nurse cares for terminally ill patients, focusing on comfort and pain management. Dermatology nurse assists with treatments for skin conditions and minor surgeries. Emergency medical technician, UNTRL-MT, provides emergency care and transportation to patients in critical conditions. Cardiac surgeon performs surgeries to treat heart and vascular conditions. Diabetes educator teaches patients how to manage diabetes effectively. Health coach guides clients on improving their overall health and wellness. Pharmaceutical sales representative sells medications and medical products to healthcare providers. There's so much more to learn. Explore more job-related vocabulary to enhance your English skills and career prospects. Check out the video links in the description for more topics and start mastering your professional vocabulary today. Don't stop here. Keep learning and growing your vocabulary. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more job-related vocabulary lessons.